And we're back. So it's been quite a while, but alright, I've been sick, so that's the explanation for my lack of uploads, or me being inconsistent, however you want to say it. However, I'll be more consistent starting today. I know I said that. I think I said that in the last video, but you know, shit happens. But yeah, in today's video, we'll be reviewing HavocOS's latest build, which is Android 13. The last build I tried was Android 11. It was pretty good. At some point, it was even considered a ROM suitable for gaming. While others said that it had the best battery backup. So I won't be expecting much gaming performance-wise, but I have a feeling it'll be good for daily use. I'll test both regardless, but before we hop into the flashing instructions, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, because it keeps me motivated to put out more content like this for you guys. So yeah, be sure to do that. And yeah, that's it. Now, after booting in recovery, you want to hit wipe, advanced, and then you want to wipe Havoc, catch, and data, and then swipe to confirm. Now you want to hit the home button, and then you want to locate your firmware. We're going to use 5.8. Now let's just use 13.01. So you want to flash the firmware, right? And then you want to locate the ROM. Where is it? HavocOS. There we go. And swipe to confirm. Now all you gotta do is patiently wait until it's finished installing. Now, as you can see, the ROM is successfully flashed. Now what you want to do is hit wipe once more, then hit format data and type yes, then confirm, and then reboot to system. As you can see, the logo has appeared. I just patiently wait until it boots. And as you can see, the ROM has successfully been flashed. Now it looks like any other Android 13. I mean, it looks a bit more like Android 12, if I'm being honest, but it's still an upgrade regardless. Let's try to maximize the refresh rate. So yeah, it feels pretty fluid, if I'm being honest. It's very smooth. So I actually think that it'll be a great ROM for using as a daily driver. I mean, I haven't tested out the battery life, whether or not it heats up quite a bit or not, but it's pretty fluid. It's pretty fluid. But yeah, these are just the basic features, really. I'm not trying to leave my information.
team! Half of the match is over, and the red team is in the lead.